The other day I was talking to a new member about modelling and the importance of it in networking. And I'd like to share that with you right now. My name's Edward Plant. I'm from the Business League. We support business owners connect, develop and grow their business. We have a national community. We run events and have support to make sure people get the strategic good connections that grow their business. So we just had a new member jump on board. He's a tradie. He's in Victoria, and awesome bloke. But I was chatting to him and I was talking to him about, so one of the things I said was, why do you want to join the Business League? And he said, well, I think modeling's really important and you guys have some great resources that I can tap into to help me with that. And I'm like, what do you mean modelling in networking? How's that? Like, are you talking about the clothes you wear and strutting into the event sort of modelling? Or what are you talking about? I didn't really, but go with me. And he was talking about one of his mentors always says, find other successful people and work out what you can copy and what you can learn off them and model the characteristics that you need to grow your business. And this is one of the very premises about why we get world-class speakers in. A lot of networking events just get the members in talking and sharing, and that's really good to that level. What we find when we bring our amazing speakers in, and we're talking about Entrepreneurs of the Year, Telstra Business Award winners, chief entrepreneurs for state government that have got multi-million-dollar national businesses, tradies that have a $90 million business, 5-time Olympian gold medalists, that sort of caliber. Like, they're people that are doing epic. And they come and share. And they share what's got them to where they've got to, what they've learned, what lessons they have, what they recommend our attendees, members, do to get more success. Because let's face it, we're all in this to get more success. I think those that say otherwise are probably just kidding themselves and are using that as an excuse for getting average results. By being a business owner, you're a driven person. You want results. You want to make your life better. It may not be huge results. And I'm not saying you want to run a $100 million business, but you want to be better. And so I was talking to Nick about it, and he was saying, yeah, and then the speakers and all of that are amazing. And he wants to be able to model off the speakers, but also the other members that are doing things that he wants to be able to do in his business. And he called it modeling. And I completely agree with him. And it's one of the key strategies that everyone should take off. It's not, you don't have to pay someone to analyze what they're doing and how they've done it. You can do it. You can learn and be a sponge and take those on. So I think it's really important, and you can do it in your networking as well, modeling how to network and what connections you need to do. And I know I've got members that are doing absolutely amazing things, and we talk to members that are wanting those results to go and have a chat to them, understand what they're doing and how they're doing it. The simple line is they're just following the system really well. But by modelling behaviours and patterns and strategies and tactics, people improve their business. So modelling is essential for your growth, your business growth, and also for you to network better. So I'd love to know who's somebody that you've modelled something off and what did you take from them? Whether it was a friend, whether it was another competitor, whether it was somebody you heard present, whether it was someone in your community. What did you learn? Who were they and what did you learn? Comment below. I'd love to have a conversation with it. I find it really interesting. For example, we've got one of my mates from the Australian Army coming up to present. He's done SAS, 10 tours around Iraq, Afghanistan, and got out running a national fashion label, headquarters in New York. Amazing things that we're learning off him just by getting him on board to talk to our community. Anyway, I look forward to conversation below. My name's Edward Plant. I'm from the Business League. I look forward to seeing you real soon.